vlog vlogs. I landed a few hours ago and we are, I've been to Dad's, got changed, put some makeup on, and now we are on our way to Woodbury Mall to go outlet shopping. So I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. So cold. The rest of my body, fine. My face. You just said you weren't cold. Freezing. Just my face. My face. I need like a balaclava to Adidas because I want to only wear sportswear forever. But we went into loads of stores and I got what I came to get, which was a Marc Jacobs handbag, a little one. And the discounts were ridiculously good. Like all the handbags were 50% off. In Coach they were all 70% off. Basically all over the discounts were so good. And I got Sam some t-shirts in the North Face, and I got 2 t-shirts and both were like, they were like a tenner each, or $10 each, so ridiculously good value. When I get back I'll show you what I got. So I think it's going to be too dark to show you this, so I'll have to do it in the morning. But this is the bag. Then I got Sam some t-shirts from the North Face. But I think I'll have to show you guys this in the morning because it's probably too dark right now. And yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Hi guys, so this is the new bag. It's coming across a lot. That's it. That's probably a better colour. Sorry, all my stuff's underneath, but this is it. I'm obsessed. I'm going to swap over my bags now. So just going to get a drink in a bar in Greenwich Village. No, Greenwich Village? Lower East Side. January 2018. Woo! Happy New Year! Sorry I didn't record yesterday, but I was just, you know, enjoying New Year's Day. Not New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. It was really fun. Went out for dinner. The food was insane. We went to a place called The Inn at Pound Ridge, and oh my god, it was amazing. And now I'm with Julian, my brother, and he's picking out an outfit for the rink. Which totally threw me off. Ice rink. The pond down near the park is completely frozen, and Jules plays ice hockey. So he's going to go skate on it, which is actually really cool. It's about -19 or something stupid outside. So obviously it's frozen to the point where you're not going to fall through. But yeah, catch all you guys in a bit. So I said it was cold. Water completely frozen. Completely frozen. It's so We're in a place called Mount Kisco to get Jules a puck so he can go play ice hockey. Yeah, exciting. Going to CVS to buy some new makeup, see what America's offering that we can't get at home, thinking Milani. Let's see. Look at the colour choices on these. I don't know how much they are actually. Colour today's. So excited. We're buying all of CVS makeup. Just Wet n Wild. Looking at all the arthritis stuff. This is easy open for people with bad wrists. Then they've just got all like, it's like, so this one, this down here is like naproxen. And then, yeah. If you don't follow me for my arthritis content, this is probably completely irrelevant. But yeah, it's a big part of me. And very quite dark in here, but I thought I could show you some of the stuff I picked up in CVS today. So, I picked up actually the best thing I think I got, what I'm really excited to try, is this Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. I don't know what colour this is in. oh, 510 I think it said. 510. But it's like obviously like a nude, basically the only colours I wear. But I love a plumping lip cream, so I'm so excited to try this. Me and Laura then picked up loads of stuff from Wet n Wild, some NYX stuff as well. I picked up this setting powder that I thought I could use as a bronzer, which is nice, and like a contour. Laura got some of the NYX lingerie lipsticks. But I can give you a little like a tour of all this. So yeah, I love these Wet n Wild lipsticks. They're only about $2. So yeah, and I got one of the concealers as well, because my concealer's actually running low. And these I've heard good things about, so I'm excited to try. Laura got one of the bronzers from Physicians Formula as well, which is nice. But yeah, loads and loads of bits and bobs. Very excited to